Good afternoon, a sunny Sunday afternoon here in Byford. Now embarking on another project, which is a Ford Focus 2003. So the idea of this is to get it registered, get it over the pits, and then get it registered. I have a friend who has a daughter who has recently passed her driving test and is now looking for her first car to drive, auto license. So we've picked up this little Ford Focus at a very reasonable price. Got some work to do. The cam cover gasket is weeping slightly, which appears to be normal for these 16V Z-Tech engines. Obviously going to do a service. The cabin air filter is a bit sad, but not as sad as the bonnet, which has lost most of its paint. I was going to start with clear coat, but that's clearly gone. So the clear coat and the paint have gone. The roof's not far behind, so that needs a little bit of work on it. So the interior's okay, not too bad, no rips and tears in the seats. It's got a dash cover on it, so the dashboard isn't cracked or sun damaged. Manual windows, so there's nothing to go wrong there. The rear just requires a bit of a clean up. That's been fine because it's had kids in it. Again, a rear window, a bit of work to do with the maybe the tint. Have to work on that. Back is fine, nice and clean. And then underneath there we have the spare and all the little gizmos that go with it, so that's all intact. Nice to see. Just needs a bit of a clean here and there. The paint up at the top there is not the best. The rear bumper looks okay. Wheels have got a little bit of damage, but the tyres are looking in very good condition. Bit of a scratch and a dent there. So you had 4 tyres, so that's an added bonus. Yeah, so looking pretty good right now. And it's clearly an auto. The engine runs. Sounds very nice for 246,000 Ks. Yeah, a bit of a service on that. Apparently it's got a new windscreen. The windscreen got damaged, so that's good. Yeah, everything's, the radio head unit is a little bit worse for wear, so I'm going to have to do something with that. I'm going to drop it off at the paint shop tomorrow. Get some paint work done on the car. But yeah, overall, good solid little unit. Got a regular service history on it. Had a new battery a year and a half, 2 years ago. That all appears to be fine. So yeah, it's been serviced at a garage. Yeah, pretty impressed actually. Doesn't look too bad at all. Just got I think I've got a spoiler on it. Bit of racing spoiler. Yeah, so yeah, bit of work to do. Quite happy with that, and hopefully the young lady who's destined to get it will be happy with it. And if she isn't, then I'll just have to move it on. Hence the name Flick, and it's aptly named by my wife. I'll flick it on for some other young lady or young man who would like to learn and have it as his first drive. Oh, economical, reliable. Got not a dated shape. It still looks relatively modern. Quite happy with that. So yes, there we go. Thank you very much indeed for subscribers and for the comments. If you'd like to see anything specific about this, please let me know and I'll try and accommodate what you would like to see. I'm nearly at my 1,000 now. I need 9 more people to just press that button. Just that little button. If you just press it, that'd be great. Get to my 1,000 and then I've achieved something on my list of things to do in retirement. Alright, So yeah, thank you very much indeed, and yeah, bye for now.